हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सारीज एंड करीज। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक मेकअप लुक जो मैं यूजुअली करती हूँ व्हेन आई वांट टू लुक फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस एंड फॉर माय फाइनल लुक व्हिच आई हैड डन फॉर अ वीडियो। तो दिस इज़ जस्ट व्हेन आई फील लाइक ड्रेसिंग अप अ लिटिल बिट। So let's get right into the video. So to start with, the most important thing is to moisturize your face. And my skin is quite sensitive. आप देखेंगे कि जब मैं कुछ भी लगाती हूँ अपने चेहरे पे तो it kind of becomes a little pinkish, especially in the neck area. So the only moisturizer that actually works for me after many years of trying is the Cetaphil ka moisturizing lotion, and it helps my routine because then I don't have to have like 100 things on my face. It lets my skin breathe. So you see, this is the cream I use, and I buy it from like a wholesale store. And then I'm just prepping my lips with some Vaseline. You don't need anything fancy. And then the first thing I do is fill my brows. Again, I don't use anything fancy. आपके पास अगर कोई भी eyeshadow palette हो जिसमें एक dark brown shade हो तो आप इसे use कर सकते हैं. You don't want to use black क्योंकि फिर उससे eyebrows बहुत harsh दिखेंगे. Then I just shaped it with a spoolie brush, and here I'm using my Estee Lauder foundation, and since I didn't want too much of a heavy coverage, I mixed it with a dollop of my Cetaphil cream, which is the moisturizer, because I feel, in my humble opinion, मेरे लिए to have like a dewy finish, because आप उसको मैट कर सकते हैं with a powder versus a dry look, तो उसको हैंडल करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो यहाँ पे मैं एक डैम्प ब्यूटी स्पंज से उसे हर जगह ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ, एंड आई स्पेंड मोस्ट ऑफ माई टाइम ऑन जस्ट ब्लेंडिंग द फाउंडेशन into my skin, and so it gives a good base for my makeup. So what I like to do is really spend some time, make sure to apply your foundation on your neck area, which is very important, where now your neck and face won't match. Then I take the pointed end and then use that end to fill in areas which are hard to reach, like the corners of my nose, under the eye and all. Next, I use a tiny bit of concealer. I don't always use it, and I prefer the other one. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. I think I like the Fit Me concealer better because it's a little bit more liquidy, I feel. But here I've just used this, and again I just use it under my eyes, on my eyelids, a little bit on my nose, the T area, T junction, T zone, just to brighten up that area. And again, blend everything, make sure everything is nice and blended and even, so you don't have like a patchy look. And जैसे मैंने कहा कि यहाँ पे I wanted a much like natural looking foundation, not too heavy. तो यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत कम foundation का यूज़ किया, बहुत कम concealer. Then what I do is set it with a setting powder. आप कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. I'm not showing you products majorly because it's up to you. आपके स्किन को जो मैच करता है, आपके स्किन को जो works for you, that's the best thing. After many years, this is what I like. Then I'm taking this contour palette from Wet n Wild, and उसका जो contour shade है, I prefer to use that as a transition shade on my eyelids. This is like my everyday look. It just gives you a slight hint of color, beautiful shade on your eyelids. तो आप इसको use कर सकते हैं. That's my go-to. That way I can just have one palette. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of shimmer using my ColourPop का California Love palette. और पहले मैंने ट्राई किया था एक glittery brown shade, but that didn't show up too much on my lids, so I'm using this golden shade, और थोड़ा सा आँखों के नीचे लग गया था. तो this is such a versatile color because बहुत सारे Indian outfits में gold रहता है, gold color, so it works so well, and you can see the color is like so pretty. and उसके बाद मैं फिर वही blending brush पे जो बचा हुआ color है उसको use करके edges diffuse कर दूँगी, just to give it a very like blended look. Nothing major. It's such an easy go-to look, just cleaning up the under eye area just a little bit because I don't want shimmer there. और उसके बाद मैं liquid liner लेने वाली हूँ. Again, आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो. I flip-flop between liquid liner with like a gel liner, जो भी floats your boat. So once you apply that, the look is starting to come together, right? उसके बाद what you want to do is take a little bit of like the highlighter, not very harsh क्योंकि मैं बाद में वो भी ऐड करूँगी, and just apply it right under my eyebrows. तो वो eye look काफ़ी clean रहता है and it highlights and gives your eyebrows a nice lift. So you see this look is slowly starting to come together. Now I'm using a little bit of the contour and just contouring my face a little bit. I also again don't contour every day, but because I was going for a very festive look, मैंने थोड़ा सा contouring कर दिया again on my forehead area and under my jawbone so that you know मेरा face थोड़ा पतला लगे वरना I look like an egg. उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा अपने nose को भी contour कर दूँगी. And again just blending everything. Then I have this blush palette. तो इसमें से मैंने बहुत light peachish pinkish shade लिया है. Again this is very pigmented और उसे मैं cheeks पे लगा दूँगी for a very slight flush of color. So it gives like a nice flushed look. And this is one of my favorite highlighters is the Master Chrome by Maybelline. और उसे भी लगा रही हूँ on the high points of my face, just under my eyebrows and then the high points of my cheeks. And आप या तो फिर इसे ब्रश से लगा सकते हैं या फिर उंगली से. It's very blendable. Again on the bridge of my nose, my lips, my chin, wherever light naturally hits your face, right? तो it gives it like a wettish look. तो मुझे थोड़ा और highlight चाहिए था तो मैंने अपने हाथों से लगा लिया. And this is such a nice highlight for like Indian wear, Indian looks. It gives you like a wet look or you know sparkle होता है. And then I'm taking my NYX eyeliner and just like lining my waterline. And आप एक बार काजल लगा लो ना तो सारा look ही एकदम put together होने लगता है. You see it like totally transforms your look. अब क्या करूँगी मैं is just curl my lashes. And because like I said I wanted to go for a festive look for a video I was shooting, मैं लगा लूँगी false lashes. Again this is not something I wear all the time, but you know कभी कभी मन करता है कि you just put that on. मैं भूल गई थी अपने कंसीलर को सेट करना तो मैं हाइलाइटर से ही थोड़ा बहुत सेट कर रही हूँ just to brighten up the area. And then I'm just going to put on my falsies, and here you can see it totally transforms my look, right? And then comes the liquid lipstick. I love liquid lipsticks, but I'm very particular. मुझे बिल्कुल भी dry lipstick पसंद नहीं है because oh my god, it looks like your lips are being pulled apart. And this is such a beautiful shade. It's from the brand Wet n Wild. I think it's called Give Me Mocha. तो मैं यूजुअली ये लगाती हूँ एंड कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि इट्स अ लिटिल ऑन द डार्कर साइड. तो माई फेवरेट वे टू यूज़ इट इज़ टू put it all over my lips and then go in with another favorite of mine which is the NYX ka soft matte lip cream, and I'm in love with this shade called Abu Dhabi. तो मैं इसको ऊपर से लेयर कर देती हूँ तो it makes the other color a little muted, and it's like such a versatile like liquid lip कि ये किसी भी लुक के साथ मैच हो जाएगा. And then I finally put on my bindi and then that's it. The whole look comes together. So I think I really like this look and this is what I was going for. So I hope you like this video and don't forget to share your love, like, share and subscribe, and like I always say, remember to live, love, laugh and dare to dream. I love you all. Bye.